Okay. 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 Expect number one, number two, number three, number one, number two, number three. Okay, DJ. DJ. Wow, guys. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now you need to find a partner now. Okay, number one. Just number one. Number one. Number one. Number one. Side to top. Side to top. Side to top. Open back. Open back. Open front. Open back. Open front. So now on the lady. Okay. Very good. Okay, get your partner. Boom.
Welcome to my world, man. What's that?
What is this going on YouTube?
Yeah, there's gonna be YouTube.
Best bartender in all the islands.
This guy's the man, alright?
The goat, the goat, the goat. The goat. Oh my god, we're gonna be
Hey,
one.
hey, Sid.
The broskies. The
Hey. Welcome to the island, man.
Welcome to the island.
So this is gonna be your last night, huh?
This is gonna be awesome. Tony is the best mixologist you can find on this island.
So,
The best one. Number one.
I see you when I see you.
We'll be back.
Maybe
We'll be
next.
back. I'll be back. I'll be back. We'll be
All
back.
right, man. I know you. You always came back. So you're good. These guys, I'm sure maybe next time.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, man. Thank you also, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Tony.
Yeah.
Thank
Shout
you.
out.
Shout out.
Broskies.
The broskies.
All right, man. That's it for now.
That's it. Signing off.
All right. I show you the beach right now. It's empty. See? It's empty. Nobody's here now. There's no merch. There's the beach right now. And there's the moon. It's a full moon. There's the dock bar. It's so nice. So peaceful down here. See, the bar is empty now. All right. That's it. Right. Well, another busy night tonight. We're really busy. Start the spring break, so there's lots of teenager tonight having shot and just like, well, they just enjoy having fun. It's a karaoke night, and then plus a seafood tonight. So it's like really busy. It's good busy, but everything is good tonight. No complaint. Everybody's happy. As you can see today, really good crowd. I just show a little bit of those, but and the table is like really good busy. So thank you so much again. I see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG, and then my Facebook page. Thank you.